It's Namma Bangalore who won the game against the Kolkata Knight Riders. RCB has started on a fairy tale note, winning 5 games out of 7. You don't actually refer fairy tale with RCB because they have been the slow starters, or maybe they don't seem to win quite a lot of matches in the starting end of the tournament. But they have bashed all the critics and they have come up winning against the Kolkata Knight Riders, winning 5 games out of 7. It's Virat Kohli's troops who came victorious against the Kolkata Knight Riders. And if we go back to our fantasy predictions, then AB de Villiers was our captain. He scored good runs. Finch made some useful runs for the team. Morris, as always, he was the best. Russell chipped in with a wicket and tried to score some quick runs. In the process, he got out because it was too hot to handle in the middle overs because of the RCB bowlers ripped havoc against the KKR batsmen. And the fifth pick was Prasidh Krishna. So, in all, our picks were good, and the team win was the RCB. Now we are going to switch to the match number 29 of the Dream 11 2020 IPL edition. This match is between the Chennai Super Kings of Thala Dhoni versus the Sunrisers Hyderabad, the Orange Army from Hyderabad. So let's have a look at the ground stat, the pitch report, Dream 11 prediction, and the heads to head stat. So now coming back to the game between the Chennai Super Kings of Thala Dhoni versus the Sunrisers Hyderabad, the Orange Army from Hyderabad. This match is going to be held at the Stadium of Dubai. This ground has longer boundaries and it supports batsman as well as bowler. The pitch tends to be similar throughout the 40 overs. Yeah, it might tend to slow down a bit as we have seen in the couple of games. So you might expect a score of around 150, 160. So our par score for this ground is 160. In this season of the IPL, there are 12 matches in this ground. 8 of them have been won by the team batting first, while 2 have been won by the team chasing, and 2 were tied. One was the super over game. Both were the super over game. One was between DC and Punjab, and Mumbai and RCB. So if we look at the head-to-head record between Chennai and Sunrisers Hyderabad, then we clearly see that Chennai has dominated the competition between the two teams. Out of 12 matches, Chennai has managed to win 9, whereas Sunrisers has managed to win 3. Most runs are scored by Shane Watson, 523 runs when these two teams met, whereas most wickets are by DJ Bravo. He took 17 wickets in the match. If you look at the head-to-head stats, then there is nothing to choose when it comes to head-to-head between the batsman and bowler. If you see, the Sunriser batsmen have mostly dominated the CSK bowling, and similarly, the CSK batsmen had dominated the Sunrisers bowling. But the two battles that we would like to look for will be, from the Sunrisers point of view, is Warner and Bravo. If you see, Warner has managed to score runs, but Bravo has taken his wicket twice, so it will be a good tussle. Whereas if you go with Williamson, who plays swing very good, he comes from New Zealand, so there are swinging condition. He plays swing well, and Chahar is basically the swing bowler. He has played very well when he has faced Chahar, scoring 49 runs of 38 balls. If you look at the Chennai Super Kings, then Watson clearly has wood over Sandeep Sharma and Rashid Khan. But yeah, we know Watson is a bit vulnerable to in swing, so Sandeep Sharma can bolster his chances looking at the wicket of Dubai. But when we see the record, then Watson has scored 100 runs in 51 balls when he has faced Sandeep, whereas similarly for Rashid, he has scored 90 runs of 63 balls. There is nothing to choose between the batsmen, but I guess it will be a good tussle between the Sunriser batsman and the CSK batsman. So let's take a look at the players to watch out for, the playing 11, the team prediction, and the Dream 11 fantasy team. So the players to watch out for us are Duplessis and Deepak Chahar from CSK and Bairstow and Williamson from Sunrisers Hyderabad. As we know, as I told you in previous section, that the ground is even for the batsman and bowler. If you play first couple of overs or 3 overs spell very good, then you will get good value for your shots. So that's why I'm going in with all the top order players for both the teams. Deepak Chahar I'm going because he's a naturally swing bowler and he might get some swing at the open, because Dhoni tend to bowl 2 to 3 overs in the power play or nearby power play from him. So you can expect a lot of swing, and I'm expecting him to take at least 2 wickets if he bowls well. Whereas the wild cards for us is Rashid Khan. He's a no-brainer because he is a good player and he's a quality player. He gives value for whenever you ask him to do the job for your team, and that's why I picked Rashid. And Watson, who will forget his knock in the final in 2018? He single-handedly won the IPL trophy to CSK. That's why I back Watson to make wonders once again. Few matches before, he has done that when CSK won by 10 wickets. So Shane Watson is my pick. If we go with the playing 11, I don't see both the teams making any changes. They will go with their same teams. But if in case they want to make changes, then I guess they might make the like-for-like replacement. So Chawla might come in for Karan Sharma. And for SRH, looking at how he bowled against Dhoni, I would see Abdul Samad coming in for Vijay Shankar, because Abdul Samad can tong the ball hard in the end overs. The team win. We are predicting CSK to win, but you can see like whoever wins the toss, that team might win, because the stats show that the team batting first wins most of the matches. But our pick is CSK. If we go with our Dream 11 fantasy team, we are going in with Bairstow as a wicketkeeper, because he is in good form and we can trust on him continuing that form. As far as the batsmen are concerned, as I said, we are going in with all the top order batsmen. So Faf, Williamson, Watson and Raidu. All-rounders, Jadeja and Bravo. And the 4 bowlers, Rashid, Deepak Chahar, Shardul Thakur and Sandeep Sharma. Watson is our vice-captain pick. You might be tempted to play Dhoni instead of Bairstow, but then you have to choose a captain between the top order players, or maybe you can look for Rashid Khan. But you can certainly go with Dhoni if you want instead of Bairstow. So this is our pick, and may the best team win.